Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We are from Siti Khadijah Group, and I'm the leader. Our group is consisting of first.
My name is Mira. My name is Bunga.
My name is Aisyah. My name is Khamsalul Nafisa Putih.
And I'll present first. Can I start reading? In the current investigation, we first recruited 14 Japanese learners of English with diverse proficiency levels, potentially covering a wide range of proficiency levels, and asked them to participate in a spontaneous speaking task, resulting in high-quality audio recordings suitable for fine-grained pronunciation analysis. Second, these samples were categorized by expert native-speaking raters for low, mid, versus high L2 pronunciation proficiency with reference to the publicly available descriptors in IELTS pronunciation scale. Finally, we scrutinized various dimensions of the 40 Japanese learners' speech in terms of segmentals, high FL, low FL, syllables, insertion, deletion, word stress, absence, misplacement, and intonation, absence, misplacement. The following research question was formulated with segmental and prosaic features, influence expert raters' judgments of low, mid, and high-level L2 pronunciation proficiency, defined by IELTS pronunciation scale. Next.
Finish, get us scoring meter. All of you, each group should access meter. Finish. Hurry up. The first lane. You're just not keeping silent there, students. You take action. Finish. Hurry up. The second presenter, your name?
Aisyah.
Yes.
We're running out of time. If it takes a long time like this, Listen to the presenter's pronunciation very, very carefully, and then what you assess the rubric. Are you ready for the next? Yeah? The others finished? All of you? All of you? Finish? All of you? Yes, sir. Click submit or send or kirim. Now, all of you access the second link. Fill the rest, okay?
Our group,
No. Okay. Just focus on your presentation.
okay.
But it's okay, you have to fill it. It's okay. Presenters are free to access the link. Once again, the presenters, whoever becomes the presenters are free to access the link. Or you are not allowed to access the link. Only the audiences. Hurry up! Done? All of you done? Just keep it silent. Say something.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, hurry up, Alicia. Wait.
First and
Second link, please.
First and foremost, the results showed that the segmental factor differently impacted the reader's pronunciation proficiency ratings according to two types of errors, high versus low communicative value, whereas the number of errors with high communicative value played a significant role in the distinction between low and mid-level learners. The errors with low communicative value differentiated between mid and high level. Second, the syllable insertion rather than deletion, and word stress absence rather than misplacement. Factors distinguish between mid and high level learners. Finally, the intonation factor was not significantly associated with the reader's judgment, at least in the current study's range of pronunciation level, low, mid, and high. Thank you.
Finally, link said that. Finish? All of you finish? Hurry up. Again, access the second link. Once again, after you click kirim or send, access again the second link. Still the rest. Okay? Continue access the second link. Your name is? Hi. Your name?
Komsa Lulu Nafisa.
Komsalu.
Ya.
Okay. Are you ready? The others, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Start it.
The main objective of the current study did not relate to the validation of IELTS pronunciation scale. To define which of the 40 speech samples produced by Japanese speakers of English could be categorized low, mid, first, high, we took an exploratory approach towards choosing the publicly available descriptives in IELTS pronunciation scale. Note that the in-house L2 pronunciation judgment in the current study using the published version of IELTS pronunciation scale could be essentially different from the way expert IELTS rater are usually trained to access the pronunciation qualities of oral interviews using the non-public version of IELTS pronunciation scale.
Next. Finish students? Hello? Done? Continue, access the second link for the next methods. Write your name first. What's your name?
Bunga Ratu.
Ah. Are you ready? Yes. Yes, are you ready? Yes. Okay, start it.
The author conducted a detailed errors analysis of the 40 speech samples by using total of 12 specific pronunciation measure reference from the segmental, individual, vowels, and consonants to the suprasegmental level EA syllable error, misplacement of word stress absent, misplace of intonation absent. Segmental errors were further subdivided according to the rank ordering list elaborated from the FL Prinslip Brown 2009-88. Accordingly, all of the segmental errors were sorted into either the high FL category or the low FL category. Thank you.
Second link. Finish. Okay. Still one more. What's your name?
Miraso.
Again, access the second link for Miram.
Okay, sir.
M-I-R-A. M-I-R-A.
Yes, sir.
Miram.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Nice.
Are you ready? Yes, sir. Okay. Start it. Silent, please.
The participants engaged in the monologue speaking test with the researcher. In order to elicit extemporaneous monologue, a decision was made to follow a style used in the standardized test IELTS. A topic was tailored for the study. Describe one of the toughest challenges in your life, as well as suggestions of possible discussion points. When, how old, and where were you? Why did you encounter this challenge? Why was it so challenging? Did your friends or parents help you? The participants had 1 minute to prepare, while taking notes if necessary. Then they gave their responses, speaking for 2 minutes. Afterwards, the researcher followed up its response with the followed 2 rounds of questions. What did you learn from this experience? Would you like to go through the same experience again? Thank you, sir.
Close.
Okay, guys, that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.